Guys, we are having a thunderstorm and it's gonna be probably a big one. And it's gonna be a big storm. So I am gonna go inside, but I love thunderstorms. I really do. And my dogs are just going crazy. And there's lightning right above my head. So I'm gonna go inside. There you go. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. But it's definitely happening right now. My garden looks good. But we're having a powerful thunderstorm. Alright, I'm going inside. Alright guys. Oh shoot, I gotta put my garlic in. Wow. Okay, I love these summer storms. I love the thunder. My shallots. Oh my god. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna put this in. But this is the best part about living in the Midwest is the thunderstorms in the summer. But I'm closing this. Alright, and that is that. It's hot, rainy, chickens are inside. And we're gonna have several thunderstorms coming in. So at least my garden is getting watered, so that's good. But that's a lot of rain. Lots of rain. Look at that. Oh my god, look at the trees. Wow, look at the trees. But that cool air feels good though. The chickens are in. Wow. They all went in. Oh, that one feels so good. Guys, it's just been so hot. Heat wave we've had. But this is just gonna get this weather's just gonna make it so muggy and even hotter. It's gonna be so sticky and humid, it's gonna be horrible. I love the Midwest thunderstorms in the summer, but I hate it when it gets humid, because it gets humid. But we're supposed to have rain, I think, this entire week, so. And it's still going. Oh, more lightning. Just saw it. I just wanted to record this for a little bit. Nice weather. Nice record of recording a summer thunderstorm. And that might be right. Hey!